The best time to prune azaleas. Even though evergreen azalea require little pruning, feel free to reshape the woody shrub and eliminate a few awkward branches. Don't clip off too many branches or next year's azalea's bush won't produce many flowers. Azaleas bloom off last year's growth. Time frame. Prune azaleas soon after they bloom to allow for vigorous growth and a good supply of buds the following year, reports the Texas A&M Extension. Tools. Check plants during full bloom for any wilted, dying or infected branches, which may indicate a fungus. Remove the affected areas with sterilized cutting tools until you see clean, white wood. Use denatured alcohol to keep the tool clean as you work to help prevent the spread of fungus to clean wood, recommends the U.S. National Arboretum. Tips. Before you begin pruning, consider which branches will be shaded and might naturally become deadwood. Remove those branches first. Avoid pruning too late in the season, as tender new growth might get damaged in cold climates.